paper of the day is Materialization Strategies in the Vertica Analytic Database. Lessons learned. It's a 2013 paper. Column stores allow for interesting query processing techniques such as the choice of materialization strategies and the choice of optimal predicate evaluation orders. Paper highlighted issues in choosing the right materialization strategy in the context of joins, especially ones where neither input fits in memory. They demonstrated that sideways information passing combined with early materialization allows to get the best of the both worlds, resulting in significant performance improvements for joint queries in analytic workloads. This work presents the practical implications and empirical performance evaluation of applying SIP techniques, late materialization, and exploiting characteristics of the Vertica Analytic platform for processing complex queries. In terms of approach, they use a 1 TB TPCH dataset for experiments. All queries were run with cold caches. Now looking at the contribution, the following list summarizes the lesson learned in implementing early materialization, late materialization, and sideways information passing in Vertica. First, late materialization is more difficult to implement than early materialization. Late materialization involves a lot of bookkeeping complexity in the optimizer and execution engine to track which columns to materialize at what point and has to be accounted for in the cost model during query optimization. Late materialization performs better than early materialization except for the case of spilling joins. In such case, early materialization performs generally better. In the case of spilling joins, the combination of EM with sideways information passing performs better than early materialization alone. For non-spilling joins, early materialization with SIP is as good as late materialization. Hence, the combination of early materialization with SIP filters give the best of EM and LM individually. Coming to PS score, overall it's a nice read but has bumpy parts due to code and SQL queries, so it gets 6 out of 10 on readability. It's 12 pages long, it scores 8 out of 10 on length. Reproducibility and repeatability shouldn't be challenging, so it gets 8 out of 10. Industry value and learning meter is decent, so it gets 10 out of 10 on each. Overall PS score is 7 out of 10.